Sabing makakalabas ako today. I wanna run today. Run. That's the plan today, but gusto ko yung naglalakad. Pero, madalas dahil lakad ako ng lakad, naliligaw ako. So, ginabi na ako. It's already like 6:40, 6:45. Medyo maliwanag pa. And basically, we're gonna visit this temple. Birthday week, everyone. Maulan. Actually, today is already the next week of that birthday week. And still, as you can see, makulimlim pa din. Ayan, and maulan pa rin this whole week. I think the coming next week also is maulan pa din. And yeah, anyway, this is my neighborhood. Ayan, ayan, glimpse of my neighborhood. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that rainy week video that I shared to you. Sa akin, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed my week, my birthday week. It was a little bit emotional, lalo na rainy. Tapos, syempre, first time ko mag-isang mag-celebrate ng birthday ko. Far from family, miles away from family, from friends, and it wasn't easy. But nonetheless, I am lucky that I have met people. Try lips. I have met people here that are supportive also and very kind. So my office mates that are also foreigners. And also Korean office mates are very, friendly. That's my week birthday. I miss everyone home. Sobra. Actually, the initial plan is this year I will go home for my birthday. I am going to celebrate my birthday pa rin sa Pilipinas, dapat. But because of COVID, hindi kinaya. Medyo naiyak ako. Because supposed to be the plans are, I celebrate birthday at home kasi alam ko hindi ko pa kakayanin. But I needed to. And another one is July also was my friend, supposed to be my very, very close friend, Jam. And Jam and Arthur's wedding this year. So, iba yung plano dapat. But what happened is that I needed to really just stay here. And thank God, I prayed for it. Nung nag-start yung COVID, nag-mindset na ako. It's not easy. I'm that kind of person pa naman na pag naka-mindset, it's really hard to change. But we're still lucky. Like, I'm still lucky that, technology nowadays is really good already. So, nakapag-video chat naman ako with my sisters. And I was able to talk to some friends. And, oh my God! Medyo iyakin ako. But, yeah. I know it's not easy at this time of pandemic. But I hope that somehow sharing on how I still try to enjoy and cope up with the current situation on my special day, sharing to you would be also, helpful for you to be strong. Let's just be strong. Let's face this current situation day by day. It's not easy. A lot of change of plans that we need to, do and just accept kasi wala hindi natin kontrolado yung sitwasyon. But yeah, maaba na yung video clip na to. But anyway, I just wanna send my love to everyone back home. It wasn't easy. Pero ganun talaga. And at least, these kind of flowers here. Just make me smile every day this rainy day. Okay, but yeah, anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos, and you know, if you just want to check things I do here every now and then, please subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye bye. Stay safe, be strong. Alalay lang day by day. Okay, see you.